Hello dear friends, hope you are well. In today's video I will discuss you one topic which is very important for GRE GMAT preparations. Besides, there are guidelines for those who want to participate in various job test examinations, and this course is going to be one of the best course by solving complex math problems. So without further ado, let's start today's video. In this video, I will discuss in both languages such as Bengali and English so that people can understand from different countries, and this course is helpful for different countries peoples. And I will discuss from the basics A to Z levels from the maths, and it will cover the both category students such as weak students and strong students all over. So today our topic is word problems. This is our chapter name, and we will solve GMAT sub 505 levels, and which is helpful for GRE GMAT Quant. Those people are want to preparations or in 30 days or 20 days, or their examination is knocking at the doors, so which is helpful for this course. And the job preparations such as Petrobangla, BAPEX, BEBSAS and IBA banks and some essential reputed post. So we can easily start our number word problem chapters. This is our first chapters. We will solve almost 20 to 30 chapters that will make our basics more and more strong, and we will solve from the sub level 505 to the upper levels also. So first questions we can easily see that if 12 bars sit on each branch of a tree, okay, 12 bars যদি প্রত্যেকটা শাখায় অর্থাৎ on each branch of a tree বসে, that is 6 birds don't have a place to sit. Wow, that is 6 birds which is remaining that haven't any place to sit. If 15 birds sit on each branch, okay, so two branches are left vacant. Wow, the number of birds are how many more than the number of branches? Wow, we should identify the difference, the how many of the birds and how many of the branch, then we can easily find out the difference of them, and there is the answer A, B, C, D, or etc. So we don't know how many branch of a tree, so we can easily imaginary number is x. So x is the number of branch of a tree, and each branch sit on 12 bars, so 12 into x. So we don't know how many branch of a tree, and 6 birds don't have a place to sit, so that is the remaining birds. So we should add, that is 6 plus 6, and that is the total number of birds. That is the total number of birds from the first conditions. Let's start from the second conditions. If 15 birds sit on each branch, okay, two branches are left vacant. So if we can see that x minus 2, because number of branches minus 2 are left vacant when each branches sit on 15 birds. There is the total birds, and from the second condition here is the total birds. So we can find out the equations and find out the value of x from these equations. So that is 12x plus 6. Wow, the question is not so tough, and that is 15 into x, that is 15x multiply minus 30. 15 to the is 30. So what is the value of x? We can easily find out that is 12x. If we side change that 15x minus 12x, which is 3x, okay, and 30x minus 30x, and from that side 36. So what is the value x? The x is 12. Okay, so x is 12, it means the number of branch of a tree is 12. So there are 12 branch of a tree. Here if we put a value of one of the equations such as 12x plus 6 or 15x minus 2, so we can find the total value of birds. So here I think if we put the value is here, so the equation is totally easy. So that's, and the value 12 put here, 12 minus 2 which is 10. 10 and 15 are 150. That is total buds of a tree. So we can easily find the total buds of a tree and total branches of a tree. Then here is the questions: the number of buds are how many more than the number of branches? তো ব্রাঞ্চের তুলনায় বার্ডস কতগুলো বেশি, সো এদের ডিফারেন্সটাই হবে আলটিমেট অ্যান্সার, which is 138. Okay, and number B is the correct answer, which is 138. So this is the number of branches, and we can easily put the value 1 of the sides, and number of total birds we can find out, and then the difference or deduct, and then the result. So easy questions GMAT sub 505 level, and 505 লেভেলের কোশ্চেন গুলো ইজি হয়, যেগুলো হচ্ছে আপনার বিভিন্ন জব পরীক্ষার জন্য বাংলাদেশের খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট, এবং বিভিন্ন জব পরীক্ষা এসে থাকে যারা ব্যাংক প্রিপারেশন নিতে চাচ্ছেন, বা হচ্ছে বিভিন্ন ওই পেট্রোবাংলা থেকে শুরু করে বাংলাদেশ ব্যাংকের আরো বিভিন্ন রেপুটেটেড সেক্টরগুলোর জন্য হেল্পফুল। সো you must subscribe my channels if you likes the videos, and if you think that the video is more helpful for your preparations, and you will get more videos, and I hope you will subscribe this. So here's the second questions, GMAT sub 505 levels. Again I said that the 505 level, this question is too much easy, so I start from the basics, and we will move forward the upper levels of this GMAT and GRE math preparations. Here is a cement mixture is composed of 3 elements. Okay, a cement mixture is composed of 3 elements by weight. Okay, 1/3 of the mixture is sand মানে বালি, and 3/5 of the mixture is water, and the remaining 12 pounds is the mixture of gravel. Gravel means হচ্ছে নুড়ি পাথর, its gravel means হচ্ছে small stones on নুড়ি পাথর. What is the weight of the entire mixture is pound, so we don't know what is the weight of the mixture is, so we imaginary a value which is x. X is the weight of the entire mixture is pound, and there is 3 elements. First elements is we don't know, so first elements is x into 1/3 plus second element is 3x divided by 5, and the last one is gravel, which is 12, because in this questions also said that the 3 types of mixtures which is composed the total value of the cements, or total mixture of the cements, or total weight of the cements, because in these sessions there are 3 mixtures, and we can easily identify what is the total weight of the cements. So we need to solve these equations. First one is x is equal to x divided by 3 plus 3x divided by 5 plus 12. So we need to LCM, and that is 5 3s is 15. Wow. And that is divided by 3, which is the 5x, the answer, and then which is 339x. We do that is LCM types maths and equation solving maths, and 512, which is 180. Yes, 180. So that is 15. So we can, oh no, that's, we should do it the second lines. Okay, that's the next step is we should multiply x into 15, which is 15x, then and 9x plus 5x, which is also 14x, yes, is equal to 180. So easily we find the value. What is x? X is equal to 180. Wow. Here is the answers. E, the answer is 180. So in this cement mixture, which is three types of mixture, that is, one is sand, another is water, and another is gravels. So adding of them, which is the total weight of the cements, which is x, and x is 180 pounds, and we can easily find out the difference. That is, here's the value 180 divided by 3, which will be the sand, and 3 into 180 divided by 5, which will be the water, and which is only 12 pounds, which is gravels. So here is the correct answer is 180. So we can move forwards in our next questions. I hope you will understand the questions, and if you have any questions, you should say that. Okay, this is the third questions. Last year, $48,000 of a certain store's profit, wow, was shared by its two owners. There is two owners are present in a stores, and there are 10 employees. Okay, each of the two owners received 3 times as much as each of the 10 employees. অর্থাৎ 10 employees বা 10 জন এমপ্লয়ির মানে প্রতি একজন each of the employees যতটুকু নেয় তার 3 গুণ করে নেয় বাকি 2 জন অনার. It means if one employee takes x, there is the 10 employees, it should be take 10x. But here is the question is, that is, each of the employees, each of the 10 employees, and each of the employees which is take x, but the owner receive 3 times of each of the employees, so that's each employees receive is x. যদি একজন x রিসিভ করে আর বাকি ওইটা 3 টাইমস করে হবে একজন অনার করে রিসিভ করছে একজন অনার, and then each of the employee receive x and its 3 times is 3x. Here is the total. Here this is the first owner who received, this is the second owner who received, and here is the 10 employees who receives, and its total which is 48,000. So 48,000. So that's 3 plus 3 6 6 16x, 16x is equal to 48,000. So much easy question is, and the x is equal to 3,000. So we can easily say that each of the employees receive 3,000, but the owner receives 3 times as much of each employees. অর্থাৎ একজন এমপ্লয়ি যা রিসিভ করবে তার 3 গুণ রিসিভ করবে একজন অনার্স. So the owner receive is 3x, so that 3 multiply 3,000, which is 9,000. So where is the answer? So here, how much did each owner receive? So each owner received, which is 9,000 is the correct answers, because each of the employees received 9,000 and another employer also received 9,000 and others receives the 10 employees. So its question is more easy. So in the next question we should move forwards, but we need to solve in technical way. We need to solve this more efficiency and good way, I hope. So that's the next question is question number is 4. This math is more interesting because those persons are like to take more fruits like such as hamburger, coleslaws, and french fries. So that's the number 4 questions. So we need to solve at a certain dinner. Okay. Yeah, that color is nice. So at a certain dinner, a hamburger and coleslaw cost 3.95. Okay, we need to create equations. A hamburger and coleslaw cost $3.95 or 3.95 cent, and a hamburger and french fry cost $4.40. If french fry cost as cost twice as much as coleslaw. Okay, how much do french fry cost? Okay, we need to identify the cost of the french fry. Let's start. So from the from the first conditions, we should write that at a certain dinner a hamburger and coleslaw. Okay, oh, the hamburger is H and the coleslaw is C, which is the total price is 3.95 cent. And then the and then the second condition is hamburger and french fry cost. Okay, there is hamburger plus french fry cost is 4.40. Okay, so this is the first equation and this is the second equations we can easily identify. So now the next condition is if french fry cost twice as much as coleslaw. Okay, the french fry cost is twice as coleslaw. This is the more effective conditions. Okay, the french fry cost is twice, the french fry cost is twice as much as coleslaw, অর্থাৎ কসলোর যে প্রাইসটা হবে তার দ্বিগুণ হবে ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইয়ের কস্ট। কসলোর প্রাইস যদি ধরুন 40 টাকা হয়, ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাইয়ের হবে 80 টাকা। So that's okay, we can put the value of x in this equation so that we can easily or addition the equation or subtract the equations and then find the value easily. So and you see that's the value of x we should put here, must here. Okay, so we can use the eraser. The f, we can put the value f is equal to 2c. Wow, the equation is already solved. Nice, nice one. Then which color? Okay, so we, this is the 1 number equations and this is the 2 number equations and 1 minus 2. Then the symbol should be changed, minus minus and minus. So plus and minus, 2c minus c is only c present there. And here is the equations. This is the 5 and 4. Okay, this is the equation is 45. So c, the value of c is 45 cent. So what is the value of the french fry? We put the value c in f is equal to 2c and find the french fry value. So f is equal to 2 into 0.45. So the answer is 0.90 cent. So what is the answer? Yeah, this is the answer is 0.90 cents. So the french fry price or cost is 0.90 cent. So we identify the coleslaw price, french fry price, and also the can identify if it's required or needed the hamburger price also, but at that times it's not required for us. So the correct answer is C. I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoy the video you must subscribe my channels and also our team channels, that is. So I hope and so much happy for that, and you will do it. Okay, this is the last questions our in these videos. This is the first videos of GMAT sub 505 levels, and the next video also included GRE maths and some short tricks, and this math also included some short tricks that helps to understand you. So some of the people don't know this, how to solve this math without any formula, but how to solve this math with a easy way. But now we can start it at a constant rate of flow. Okay, at a constant rate of flow it takes 20 minutes to fill a swimming pool. Wow. If a large hose is used, hose means hose pipe, অর্থাৎ একটা কনস্ট্যান্ট ফ্লো বা স্থির প্রবাহের কারণে একটা সুইমিং পুলের যখন লার্জ হোস পাইপ ব্যবহার করে যেটা 20 মিনিটে ফিল আপ হয়ে যায়, ইট নিডস 20 মিনিটস টু ফিল, ইজ ইউজড মানে যদি ব্যবহার করে। দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট কন্ডিশন। ওকে, we need to identify the conditions first and seconds and identify the equations and solve the math more easy way. 30 minutes if a small hose is used, so যদি আমরা একটা small hose use করি, so it requires 30 minutes to fill the swimming pool at this constant rates, যদি এভাবেই স্থির প্রবাহের ফলে how many times will take to fill the pool, কতক্ষণ টাইম লাগবে ওই পোলটা পূর্ণ হতে, when both hose are used simultaneously means অর্থাৎ একই সাথে, all together if we open the hose pipes and at this constant rate, so how many times required to fulfill the swimming pool like water. So that is work done math, types of work. So that is work done math, we need to know a formula T of W, মানে it means time of work done is equal to A into B divided by A plus B. So with this formula we can solve the math more easy way. So that's time of work done, because that is two 20 minutes and 30 minutes, that is two different times. When a constant rates of flow or a work done is to various times to different times, we should use the formula time of work, which is TW. So that is the first time of work done, which is 20 minutes. So A is 20 minutes and multiply, and second time of work done, which is 30 minutes, so we should multiply 30 minutes, and then we should add 20 plus 30, and that is the formula. So that's we can easily find the solve. So that's yeah, so 20 multiply 30, which is 600, divided by 20 plus 30, which is 50. So we can identify the answer, which is only 12. 12. So if you use the formula, you can easily identify the maths, and it is more easy and technical way you need to solve, because you haven't enough time to solve the questions, to solve the math, and in a long time you waste, otherwise you can't participate in the other questions and you not to answer fulfill of the questions. So we need to take more preparations effectively. So I hope in this video which is helpful for you, and you will understand more and more. So we again summarize this math. This is the Bart's math, and this is the cement, mixture of cement, and this is the profit sharings and how much profits persons gain, and also hamburger and cost loss, those are like to eat, and the constant rate of work done. These five maths also helpful for you to understand more easy way. And this is our first video and our GRE GMAT question solver ক্ষেত্রে, and our job preparation এ যেটা বলতে পারছি পেক্টো বাংলা বা পেক্স বেবজা সহ সকল টাইপের জব প্রিপারেশনও খুব আপনাদের জন্য এই কোশ্চেনগুলো হেল্প হবে। অলরেডি আপনারা যারা ভিডিওটি দেখছেন বাংলাদেশ থেকে, আপনারা অলরেডি জানেন যে এই পোস্টের গুলো এক্সামে আপনার জিম্যাট, জিআরই, বিশেষ করে আইবিএ তে, পেক্টো বাংলায় এই কোশ্চেনগুলো জিম্যাট ক্লাব, জিআরই থেকে ইজিলি আপনারা মানে ফাইন্ড আউট করতে পারেন যে কোশ্চেন ওখান থেকেই তুলে দেওয়া হয়। তো আশা করি আপনার ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে, এবং আপনারা যারা ম্যাথে দুর্বল, যারা বেসিক সহকারে বুঝতে চান, তারা হচ্ছে আমার এই প্লেলিস্টের সকল ভিডিওগুলো যদি A to Z দেখেন, আশা করি এখান থেকে আপনার অনেক কোশ্চেন কমন হবে। আর আমাদের এই কোশ্চেনগুলো খুবই অ্যানালাইসিস করে তৈরি করা, অর্থাৎ যেগুলোতে সবচেয়ে হাই রেট উঠেছে, যেগুলো সবচেয়ে পরীক্ষার জন্য আসা সম্ভাব্য, আমরা সেগুলো নিয়েই কাজ করেছি। আশা করি আপনারা খুব ভালো একটা রেসপন্স দিবেন। আপনারা অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন ভিডিওগুলো পরবর্তীতে আরও পাওয়ার জন্য, এবং আপনারা যদি কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো আগে থেকেই পেরে যান বা শর্ট ওয়েতে আরও পারেন, অবশ্যই আমাদের কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবেন। আই হোপ এটা আপনাদের জন্য বেটার একটা ওয়ে। সো আজকের ভিডিওটি এই পর্যন্তই। পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ রইল, and I will more happy if you send message and like and subscribe my channels, and which is more benefits for me to and encourage my inert from to make the video more and more. So today and is the end of my video. Thank you and hope you are well.